GB7EY, multi-mode digital repeater. Located in Selkirk, Scottish Borders, Scotland. The repeater is connected to the DV Scotland multi-mode network, providing local and worldwide communications. GB7EY is the digital repeater for Selkirk in the Scottish Borders, supporting DMR, D-Star, C4FM, and Yaesu system fusion. And is part of the DV Scotland family of digital multi-mode repeaters located in Scotland. The output frequency is 439.5125 MHz. And the RX frequency is 430.5125 MHz. Remember to give a 3-second gap between overs to allow the network to refresh. We hope to hear you on the air via this connected repeater. For more information, please visit our website at www.dvscotland.net. That's www.dvscotland.net. Or visit and join our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/dvscotland-network. www.facebook.com/dvscotland-network. If you are interested in hosting either a digital multi-mode repeater or an all-star simplex node or gateway in Scotland, and would like it to be part of the ever-expanding network of DV Scotland, then please get in touch with our admin core team at admin@dvscotland.net, admin@dvscotland.net, for more information. DV Scotland, bridging the gap in analog and digital radio, in Scotland since 2016.